also running an e-commerce store, and do you also wish that whenever you receive a new order, automatically the details should be added into your Google Sheets? Then you are on the right video. So to do this, you have to open Workflow Builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Once you're on the landing page of Pabbly Connect, in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can add up to 100 order details into your Google Sheets for free, and yes, this is true. Further, if you like Pabbly Connect, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and if you wish a heavy discount while purchasing this plan, a discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Now we are on the Workflow Builder of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for our e-commerce store. So I use Shopify to run my e-commerce store. So I've selected Shopify. So I'm just going to search for Shopify and select Shopify V2. For the event, I'm going to select it as new order and click on this connect. Now we have received this webhook URL. So copy this webhook URL and open your Shopify account. Now from the left end of the site, go towards this settings, and once you're on this settings, you have to go towards this notifications. After coming on this notifications, go on the webhook section and click on this create webhook. For the event, you have to select it as order creation. For the format, select it as JSON. For the URL, paste the URL which you copied from the workflow, and for the API version, select latest and click on this save. Now we have successfully added our webhook URL right overhead. This means that we have successfully created a connection between Shopify and Pabbly Connect, but it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to go back towards our Shopify store and we're going to purchase a product. So I'm just going to open my Shopify store, and let's say I am going to purchase this summer dress. So I'm just going to go towards this bite now, and I'm going to purchase this summer dress as testing user. So let's say I'm just going to enter my detail. For the first name, I'm going to keep it as testing, last name as user, this as the email address, and the rest of the details. Now I'm just going to enter the credit card details, and I'm going to click on this pay now to purchase this product as testing user. So it is saying enter a valid phone number. Alright, so I'm just going to enter the phone number once again and click on this pay now. Once we're going to click on this pay now, you're going to see that we have successfully purchased this product. So let's open our workflow, and you're going to see that Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. We just have to wait for a few seconds, and as you can see that Pabbly has successfully captured the response for the same, be it the total amount, be it the customer details, be it the product purchase, or the rest of the details. Now I'm just going to add these details in my Google Sheets. For that, let's close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to search for Google Sheets and select Google Sheets right over here. For the event, you have to select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once we click on this sign in with Google, we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to connect our Google Sheets account. So let's select the Gmail account, and now Pabbly is going to ask us for some permissions. So let's click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because my data is 100% safe with Pabbly. Now it is asking me to select the spreadsheet. So as you can see, the name of my spreadsheet is order details. So I'm just going to select the same right over here, which is order details. Now I'm just going to select the sheet, which is sheet 1. Now one by one, I'm just going to add the order details right over here so that we can add this in our Google Sheets. But we're not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm just going to add all the details right over here so that we can add these details in our Google Sheets. I'm just going to also enter the item name, which is the frock purchase. So as you can see that this is the summer dress. So I'm just going to select it. I'm just going to select the quantity, map it. Now I'm going to map this total amount. So I'm just going to look for total amount, And as you can see that this was the total amount, so I'm just going to map it. Now for the order status, I'm just going to look for the order status, and you're going to see the status right over here will be static, because I want that whenever new order is placed, I only want to keep the status as placed. Alright, so I'm just going to enter the static information right over here and click on this save and send test request. Now you're going to see that we have received the positive response, so let's open our Google Sheets, and you're going to see the details have been added. The status is selected as placed. Now let's say my team is going to review this order, and if they ship this, delivered or cancelled this, they can update the status right over here, and you're going to see all the details are exactly the same which we entered during the test submission. Not only this, let's say I'm just going to test this workflow for once. I'm just going to go back towards my store, and let's say I'm just going to purchase this cord set, and this time I'm just going to purchase this as new user. So I'm just going to enter all of my details right over here. You can see I've entered all my details. Now let's say I'm just going to enter the credit card details and click on this pay now. Now you're going to see that we have successfully purchased this product. So let's open our Google Sheets, and you're going to see within seconds and in real time the details are added right over here in my Google Sheets. And yes, this is no magic, this is the power of automation which we have created right now. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For a reference, I'll add the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check out my workflow too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.